£39 for 36 inches. I think that's absolutely insane. If you're getting a human hair wig, this can easily cost you like £600.
Stevie B Beats.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nadine. If you're new here, welcome, and for all my old subscribers, hi guys. I know it's been a while, but I'm back and I'm back to stay now, guys. I finally got my camera back. You guys know that my camera has been broken for a while. They were going to be installing this 36-inch wig that I got on Amazon, guys. Like, and it's from a company called Style Icon. So I got mine in the color 1B, and wow guys, I'm super duper impressed. A synthetic wig from Amazon, and it's got so much movement and body to it, and it comes pre-curled already as a body wave unit. So I'm really excited to actually try this out. Let's put this on and let's see if it's given anything. Okay, so far it is looking like an auntie wig, but not to worry, we are going to transform that. So stay tuned to see how I achieve this look.
Getting real loose tonight. I like when you hold me tight. Round on the rise, got me feeling nice. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yo. Shake it off, let all your fists go. Ooh, put your hands up and keep them in the air. Throw them down and down like you really don't care. Shots cuts, we let them in these touch, yeah. You already know if I show up, it's all up. You already know the vibe. If you a player, get low. Single ladies hit the flow. Take them real high, then real slow. Now move on and on. My true players, get low. Single ladies hit the flow. Take them real high, then real slow. Now move on and on. Call me at a perfect time. Ain't nothing gonna stop this vibe. 'Cause when I'm here, I'm all about the feels and keeping it real.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm really enjoying this hair at the moment. I'm not gonna lie to you, it is super duper long. Like, this comes down past my bum. On UK Amazon, they don't actually have that many good synthetic hair, so I'm making it my mission to find really good ones to bring to you guys. So I'm gonna put the link to this hair below in the description box, so if you are looking to purchase the hair, the link will be down below. And I hope I see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy content like this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.